Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota CHR air filter. First, gather your new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. This simple task improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. It typically takes less than 10 minutes to complete. Next, locate the black air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll see two metal clips holding the cover in place. Unclip these, then carefully lift the airbox cover. It might be a bit stiff, but it should come off without excessive force, exposing the old filter inside. Now, carefully pull out the old air filter. Take a moment to inspect it. You'll likely see accumulated dirt and debris. Before installing the new one, quickly wipe out any leaves or large particles from inside the airbox. Then, place your new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. Finally, carefully lower the airbox cover back into place and resecure the two metal clips. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly seated. Regularly changing your air filter, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, is crucial for engine health. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.